have this vibration plate from Vibration Therapeutic, and I'm so excited to show you the functions as well as the features that you need to know. And here at the end, I'm going to stand on it and I'm going to show you a couple of different exercises and stretches that you can do for yourself at home. So first of all, there are so many benefits that are a part of vibration therapy. So look those up. I can't talk about those right now, but right here, let's talk about this. This is where all the power is going to be coming from. And what's really neat is that this part right here is actually independent of the actual vibration plate. So this is going to stay very high quality. And in addition to that, right here, you can see that the part that connects that to the actual vibration plate, it has this additional screw on part right here. So as the plate itself is vibrating, it's not going to vibrate unplugged, which is a very unique feature. So overall, this is very easy to use. You're going to toggle between your different programs. There are 3 different programs to choose from. With program 1, it's going to be at a lower vibration. Number 2 is going to be at a higher. And then on program 3, it's going to be both. So depending on your level of experience, you can go anywhere from 10 minutes up to 20 minutes during any of these sessions. Then you can also do more of a manual process. And if you're doing manual, I definitely recommend using the remote. You can do everything that you can on here on this remote as well. Let me show you this. So this is where you can choose the program. So this will toggle between 1, 2, and 3. These are the amplitudes. So for the amplitudes, there is a low setting and a high setting, similar to the programs that I talked to you about on the low and the high for programs 1 and 2. Then right here, you have hertz. So if you're not familiar with hertz, the lower the hertz, the lower the vibration, and the higher hertz, the higher the vibration. So it's gonna program and like default around 15, which is really low, and the highest is gonna be 40. So that's gonna be like a really high intensity vibration. So you can adjust the hertz either down or up, and then also you can adjust time up or down. And like I said, the max is 20 minutes on that. So this is really, really easy to use. I personally, if I'm using this, put this in my pocket so I can adjust it as needed. So it comes with these straps right here that have a really, really high quality Velcro. And so I can stand on this, and I'm gonna turn this on. So I'm gonna pull out my remote. I'm gonna go on this second program. So I just click the P twice. You can see that it reflects P2 right there. And I have my session going for 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and press the play button right there. How the programs work is it's gonna vibrate on one setting for about 5 seconds, and then it's gonna progressively go up and higher, and it'll change different vibrations about every 5 seconds. So as I'm standing on this, I'm gonna give resistance. You can see I'm pulling into the vibration plate right here. I don't know if you can tell in my voice, but it's definitely starting to vibrate right here. So I can stand on this, or I can do a set of exercises. So a couple of different options that I could do right here is I could start by doing some squats. So I can do some, I'm gonna put these down for some of the exercises. So I can do just some regular air squats. And this is way harder to do on a vibration plate. I feel so much more activation in my quads. One of my favorite exercises to do is actually a side lunge. Right here, as I'm deep into this lunge, I feel it in my right quad so much. And so if I didn't want as much intensity, I could pull out my remote and lower it down just a little bit if I was just on the manual setting. So that's a really, really cool, unique feature. So I can do some deep lunges right here. I can maybe do a pistol squat. And do some holds up here. You can do anything from push-ups. You can do some mountain climbers. And some extensions and straighten out that back. Overall, the build quality is phenomenal. This thing is going to stay really well for a really long time. It has really nice adjustable Velcros here. So if you wanted the straps to be longer, will stay on really, really nice. So you can do anything for your shoulders. Literally, this is so versatile. I'm very impressed with this vibration plate, and I hope that you guys like it.